In this video, I'm going to show you how to make alarm louder on Samsung phone. So if you set an alarm on your Samsung phone, then you should set this indication just before your network strength here that alarm is active. However, if you want to increase the alarm volume, there are two ways to do this. The first one to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. Now while on the settings, you need to scroll down and click on sound and vibration. Then tap on volume. Here you have access to all the volume on your device. You want to increase the ringtone volume to the maximum so that if you set your alarm ringtone as the volume ringtone, this will produce the highest maximum volume possible. Alternatively, you can also increase the alarm sound by going to the clock application on your Samsung phone. Use the search button to search for clock. Then open it. Locate the alarm whose ringtone or whose sound you want to increase. That's this. Then scroll down and tap alarm sound. Then adjust this volume slider to the maximum so you can spot the difference when it is here, and when the alarm sound is here. Then once that is done, hit the power button and you are good to go. And this will make your Samsung phone alarm sound louder. So if you found this really helpful, you want to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.